81 Volkswagen Scirocco. I never thought that I would own a Scirocco. Something about this one just caught my eye when it came up for sale. Went out and got it and loved it. The MK1, which is this one, was made from 74 to 81. So my body style is the last style of the MK1s. 82, they went with the more boxy looking square look. As far as engine, this was originally a plain Jane Scirocco. It was a 1.6 liter car with a 4-speed. In restoring it, he had an 84 GTI motor. So he dropped an 84 GTI motor and a 1.8 motor. We worked a little bit on it. It's cammed. It has a 92 transmission in it with a 5-speed short shift. And I tell you what, she runs.
Yeah, it can't weigh much either.
Yeah, no. I mean, what, maybe 1,800, 2,000 at most.
And it looks like aftermarket exhaust too.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I did the exhaust on it. I put a full exhaust from header pipe back. It has no calic converter, no resonator. Me and my brother did it. We did 2.25 inch pipe all the way back. It just did like a little small muffler in the back. Sounds pretty good. It has a nice rumble to it. When that cam in there, it's not that much, but you can hear it lope just a little bit when you're idling, you know. But it sounds pretty cool. I did the suspension on it. My God, it needed all new struts around, so I put all new struts. In turn, I put all new lowering springs on it. Loaded about 1.5 to 2 inch, just to get rid of that wheel well gap.
And wheels and tires too, or those?
No, those came on it. Those are aftermarket. They're 15-inch rotos. So striping on it, I did the gold stripe down the center. I did the bottom black with the Scirocco in it. Again, you know, working as an artist, I do that kind of thing. Because there was nothing on it. The sides were a little too white. The louvers, very, very, very hard to get.
Yeah.
And I got really lucky that I found a full set over in the UK, from Germany I think they came from, brand new in the box yet.
Wow.
It's an accessory that you never find, especially new in the box. The rear spoiler also is a Ronald spoiler. Very, very rare again. Found it brand new in the box. The little things on the hood there is a cheap 80s accessory. Found those are just wind vents.
Make it more aero or less aero?
I can't tell really.
Yeah. And one of the obvious things you notice is there's no passenger side door mirror.
Right. I think that was an option not to have it. One of those weird German things.
Interior wise, what'd you have to do to it?
Not much. Interior is all there. I just added the dash mat on it. I put the seats in it. The seats in it were kind of ripped and everything, so I put the racing seats in it.
Steering wheel, the stock steering wheel?
Yeah, that's a stock. Yeah. Those steering wheels defined in an MK1 are very rare. They're Wolfsburg steering wheels, so I was really excited to see that was even still in there.
And I know you do shows and stuff with it.
Yeah, I do.
Have you tripped it? Where's the furthest you've taken it?
So far down in Maryland, to the old Volkswagen show down there. First year I got it, I took it down there, and it was still the show because nobody had an MK1 Scirocco. Especially here in Pennsylvania, even when I'm just driving it, people are like, "What is it?"
Now that you've got this and you've got the Mark I, which one do you go for?
I don't know. It's a toss-up. I've done a lot of more work on the GTI since the last video. So
well, maybe we'll have to do an update on that one because I knew you lowered it. Right?
It's all kind of stuff done to it. I did OEM Plus on that. Exactly.
So of the two, that one's the keeper car.
Yes, the GTI one I'll never get rid of
because of where it came from.
Where it came from and all that stuff. The back history with my dad and everything. That's here to stay. And
if folks don't understand what we're talking about, they have to go back and look at the other video.
Right, exactly.
Which I'll link to in the description so they know the story behind that one. Are the handles similar?
Actually, the Scirocco it handles better.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't know, something about it. It's got tighter steering in it. The gearbox is much, with the short shift.
Yeah.
I had to get used to that short shift when I drove it home from where I bought it from. So that drawing under the hood, I did that, being an artist, printed on actual aluminum.
The wiper's pretty unique, isn't it?
Yes, it's the one wiper. I was coming home from a show one time and it started to rain and I put it on for the first time and boy is it weird.
I know you said that you'd possibly get rid of it.
For the right price. Everything has a price, I guess, and I have had offers on it, but you know, it's not where I want to be yet. MK1 Sciroccos are impossible to find. When you do find something, grab it up.